So let's build this simple program. And you can see it's building now. It's done. Now we're going to download this into the target. There's actually a program here which is called Downloader. You have to use this for this particular board. You can't do it from within the SDK. You have to do it externally via this program called the Downloader. So what you got to do is you got to configure this port. You extend it to 6. In this case, there's a device driver. You actually have to install for Windows to access that port, which is actually on. Let me just show you. This is actually done via the USB-C port here. So the download happens through that port, and also you got to make sure you set these jumpers correctly. So let's switch back to the Windows machine here and the downloader. This is the file that it generates that you need to download into your target. So there it is, I'm referencing it right there. And then once I've got that port selected, so it's selected at 6 here. It might be different on yours because I'm using a virtual machine. It could be 5 or whatever, but make sure it's not the common one, which is common communication one. It's got to be some other port, which is it could be a 5 or a 6. What happens is once you've got this file that you're pointing to, which is the one you just compiled, then you simply push the start and make sure that it's on download. We've also got it on develop. Now this is the console, because normally on debug you would have it the terminal here, but you have to push this button here to get the serial port coming back to you on the counts of the shell. So we'll put that there and we just push start, and you can see it's now going and downloading. So if you go to the target, you can see it there. It is, the blue light's going on. It's done, and then the red light is flashing. So you can see that the LED is flashing, which is really what the program is doing. It's simply pulsing that particular pin to make that LED flash on and off. So very simple to use. So if we go back to here, you can see now the operating system has downloaded, and you can see hello world from runtime, which is the same as here, hello world from runtime. And then you are in the shell of RT thread. So if we type in help, you can see some of the commands that you can issue to the operating system to see its state. So let's just do PS, which is the threads. So you got these threads which are running, and some are running, some are idling, some are suspended. And so this is a very simple demo of how to get RT thread onto this particular board. I'm going to be doing a much more comprehensive video about this board and also the operating system. So stay tuned, people, because there is an online conference that is run by RT thread, and I'm going to be presenting the ins and outs of this operating system running on this particular board. So look out for that and sign up for that conference, please. The link is in my post. Please go ahead and sign up for that conference, and I'll see you there. Cheers.